English Zone, Unit 7.
This is the best electronics store in town. They've got everything and the service is great. That's true. Last week my mum bought a smartphone, but there was something wrong with the battery. She took it back and they gave her a brand new one. Anyway, what are you looking for? Well, I must get something for Dad.
Zone, Unit 7.
Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about one of the social media that teens love the most. Social media can sometimes be great for teenagers. Snapchat is a good example of a popular social media application. With Snapchat, you can send photos and short videos to your friends. Your friends can see the photos for a few seconds before they disappear forever. It's like sending messages, but with photos and videos. Teens love it because they can send funny photos of themselves and their friends. Or they can make short story videos that they share. But you mustn't share a picture of someone if they don't want you to. You must ask them for permission first.